I'm going to tell you the end part of Tootsie Patrol 7. Si Dan Tandang at ang Kahong Umilaw. Okay, but it's already the last part, okay? Dan Tandang's friend told him where to look for some palays because Dan Tandang was late for breakfast. And the palays were at Mang Mario's yard. Dan Tandang thanked his friend. And then Dan Tandang went there to Mang Mario's place where the palays were. And his friend thought that they were ripe. But there was a crocodile that was under the tree looking for food also. But Dan Tandang couldn't see the alligator. So he just... When he was about to peck that palay, he felt that the tree was moving. And then, when he looked down, it was a crocodile! And then he did this. And then his friends called him, come on, fly over here, I mean, leap over here. Because chickens can't fly. So Dan Tandang flew there and said, bak, 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 bak. And then he reached that to the ground. And then they all ran and nagtakbo. At dyan na sila. At tapos, sinabi ni friend ni Dan, oh, that was so close. Dan Tandang at si Dan Tandang nasabi, oo, kala ko wala na ako. At sabi ni Ines, kasi hindi ikaw nagtulog diretso. Hindi naman ikaw magpunta dyan sa crocodile at get ng palay. Pag ikaw nagtulog diretso. At si Dan Tandang nasabi, pangako ko ay ako magtulog diretso. He did keep his promise. At tapos, years passed, si Dan Tandang nag-grow up siya sa maganda at healthy na rooster. Actually, he was a rooster, not a chicken. At siya yung earliest gumising sa araw. At hindi lang yun, he would wake up his friends with his crocodile there! And yeah, at yung lesson dito ay tulog diretso.
What do you mean?
It means to sleep early, but I don't know the Tagalog of early.
Maaga.
Maaga pala. Because if you want to wake up early, then you need to sleep early. Okay? Yan lang at...
Anong rason? Anong dahilan? Bakit late natulog si Si Dan Tandang pala? Kasi
sa Kahong Umilaw, nagpanood siya 3 hours dyan.
So, nanood siya sa TV, no? Kasi na-curious siya?
Yes po.
And then, ano nangyari?
Gumising siya late.
Kaya. So, anong gagawin natin, mga bata?
Yung gagawin natin ay tulog early. It means sleep early. Okay, and that's all, and bye!
Hello everyone, today we are going to do my house and my watching and the wolf and the rabbit thingy told me.